Hello students, how are you? Okay, fine. In the previous class, we have learned the different types of numbers such as natural number, integer, whole number and rational number. In today's class, we are going to learn about classification of rational number and an irrational number. Okay students, let's recall the statements of rational number. You already remember that the rational number which can be expressed in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integers and q should not be equal to 0. Rational numbers can be classified into two categories, that is terminating and non-terminating. Now we will go to the first category, that is terminating. Let's see the definition. The decimal expansion terminates or ends after a finite number of steps. Look at the examples. 7 by 8, the value is 0.875. We found that the remainder becomes 0 after some steps. Here, the division process is completed since the remainder is 0. Next example, 1 by 2, the value is 0.5. One more example, 639 by 250. The value is 2.556. In all the cases, the division process is completed. That means terminates. We'll go to the another classification of rational number, that is non-terminating. See the definition. The decimal expansion non-terminates or never ends after a finite number of steps. Look at the examples. 1 by 3. The value is 0.3333 and so on. Here, the division process is never ending. The digits are repeated. 1 by 7. The value is 0.1421857. 1428571, 42857 and so on. Here also the division process is never ending. The digits are repeated. 1, 4, 2, 1, 8, 5, 7. In next example, 3.57272 and so on. Here 72 is repeated. So repeated means recurring. So this is non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Next is irrational number. Look at the definition. A number is called irrational number if it cannot be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are the integers and q should not be equal to 0. See the examples. Root 2. The value is 1.41421356230951 and so on. Here, the division process is never ending, but the digits are not repeated. Root 3. The value is 1.7320508087 and so on. Here also, the division process is never ending. Root 15. 15 is not a perfect square number. So that's why it is an irrational number. The value of pi is 3.1428571428 and so on. Next example, 0.10110111101111 and so on. So here also the division process is never ending and the digits are not repeated. So it is an irrational number. Next is real number. That means the collection of all rational numbers and irrational numbers together called real numbers. The symbol is capital letter R. Look at the picture. Natural numbers. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Integers
0 plus or minus 1 plus or minus 2, etc. Rational numbers 0 plus or minus 0.5 plus or minus 1, etc. And irrational numbers root 2, root 3, pi, root 11, etc. These numbers are all under the group of real numbers. Together we are calling real numbers. See the note. Every real number is represented by a unique point on the number line. Every point on the number line represents a unique real number. See the important points. The decimal expansion of a rational number is either terminating or non-terminating recurring. So, rational number means either it should be a terminating or non-terminating recurring, or terminating or non-terminating recurring means it is a rational number. The decimal expansion of an irrational number is non-terminating, non-recurring. A number whose decimal expansion is non-terminating, non-recurring is irrational. Let's solve the problems which is already given in your textbook. The problem is classify the following number as rational or irrational. The numbers are root 23, root 225, 0.3796, 7.478, 478 and so on, 1.10, 100, 100, 1000001 and so on. Let's solve the problems. Root 23 is an irrational number because 23 is not a perfect square number. Root 225 is a rational number because it is a perfect square number. 0.3796 is a rational number because here the division process is ended. That means terminating. 7.478, 478 and so on. It is also a rational number because it is non-terminating recurring. The numbers are 478 is repeated. 1.10, 100, 10000, 1000001 and so on. It is an irrational number because here the division is never ending, so non-terminating, and the digits are not repeated, so non-recurring. Let's take the homework. Classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Numbers are root 7, root 4, root 3 plus root 2, 2 plus root 3. One more problem. Express the following in the form P by Q. 0.4 bar. Let's solve the problem. 0.4 bar means here 4 digit is repeated. So 0.444 and so on. First we will take x as 0.44. That is the first equation. We have to multiply both the sides by 10 because here only one digit is repeated, that is 4. So 10x equal 4.444 and so on. That is the second equation. And we have to subtract from second equation to first equation. You will get 10x minus x equal 4.444 minus 0.444. That is 9x equal 4. The value of x is 4 by 9. 4 by 9 is in the form of P by Q. Let's solve one more problem. 0.37 bar. Let's solve the problem. 0.37 bar means here 37 is repeated. So 0.3737 and so on. First we will take x as 0.3737, that is the first equation. We have to multiply both the sides by 100 because here 2 digits, that is 37 is repeated. So if you take 1 digit repeated means we have to multiply by 10. 3 digits are repeated means we have to multiply by 100. 1000. So 100x equal 37.3737. That is the second equation. Subtracting from second equation to first equation, 100x minus x equal 37.3737 minus 0.3737. So 99x equal 37. The value of x is 37 by 99. It is in the form of P by Q. Okay students, let's revise what we have learnt today. Now I am going to give some homework for you. Express the following in the form P by Q. 0.6 bar, 0.47 bar and one more 0.001 bar. Thank you.